Now, if I am talking about true punctuality, listen to this very carefully. Performance in metrics, yours, Mr. Raviraj. Share of voice, that's SOV, a measure of one's brand's media presence compared to your competitors, blah, blah, blah. You're inversely. That's Aviraj's SOV, it's 32% to 22.4%. It's a steep fall since your previous quarter. Your advertising value equivalency, a metric calculating earned media value based on advertising rates. And guess what? It is stagnated at 10%. That's it. When it should have been 15% already 2 weeks ago. Time constraints, Mr. Aviraj. And lastly, you have your sentiment analysis. Evaluating media coverage to determine if the tone is positive, negative, or neutral. Thankfully, yours is not negative, rest assured. It's neutral, but we have to swerve it from neutral to positive.
अविराज, इस कैंपेन के लिए मेरे पास कुछ आइडियाज हैं. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू.
Sorry to cut you off, ma, but I have hired professional.
Oh, hello. Whom do we have here? Hi. A pleasure to see you. This is Irfan Shah, your campaign manager. Very well. Gentlemen, we finally have one amongst us who respects time very duly. I like that, by the way. I tip it. Now, shall we?
फैमिली मैटर्स में से ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं.
You need not worry at all. मैं actresses को post surgery, ministers and politicians को mid scam, and billionaires को mid escape handle करते आ रहा हूँ for the last 12 years. So believe me, assuredly, when I say that your secrets in fairness and in completion are safe with me.
हमें कोई ऐसा चाहिए who understands our word. कोई बाहर वाला नहीं.
Mr. Aviraj, ये green tea थोड़ी ठंडी हो गई है. Would you mind if I have another glass? Yeah? I'll keep it here. Allow me to reintroduce myself if I have not properly. My full name is Irfan Ali Shah. Now Ali, the middle name, it in Urdu denotes someone who's high, someone who's noble, or someone who's exalted. या Ali. Class shaming मैं बिल्कुल टॉलरेट नहीं करता, irrespective of who it is. Mr. Aviraj, if we are to embark on this voyage, I have a few stipulations for you, if you don't mind. Number one, मैं sexist, racist, ageist and classist remarks बिल्कुल टॉलरेट नहीं करता. Once again, irrespective of who the concerned party is. Number two, मैं शाम को 5 बजे के बाद बिल्कुल काम नहीं करता. Number three, मैं वीकेंड्स पे अपने ईमेल्स चेक नहीं करता, तो नेचुरली एंड कॉन्सिक्वेंटली रिप्लाई भी नहीं करता. And number four, last but not least, I, in the slightest, do not brook shouting. It tends to mess with my mental health. I hope you understand.
Who is paying you again?
इरफान के पास कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग आइडियाज है, माँ आप एक बार सुन क्यों नहीं लेते?
Yeah. Thank you. Now, if I have your undivided and raw attention for a moment, would you kindly take a very firm gander at this? Now, what exactly do we discern here? I discern a smart-looking hunk with a great torso. Not bad, Mr. Viraj. Very nice. And yeah, generally not biased. But let's be real here. Come on. Is that it? No. It has bad optics. Now I want you to look at it again. It's got good lighting. It's got good angles. It's got good wardrobe, good styling. But where it lacks primarily and most importantly and unabashedly is composition and posing. And that's where the main issue is, my friends. Mr. Aviraj, आप अपना जो मैसेज अपनी इंटेंडेड टारगेट ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाना चाह रहे हैं, that is A, either not reaching, or B, it's getting misconstrued because of this. हमें लगता है ये छोटी छोटी चीजें, but they are not. ये सो कॉल्ड छोटी छोटी चीजें, दे आर कोलोसल, दे आर प्रोडिजियस. आई हैव डन माई ओन रिसर्च ऑन यू मिस्टर अविराज, इफ आई मे. योर पब्लिक इमेज. अब आधे लोग जो हैं वो आपको नाजायज मानते हैं और बाकी आधे आपको गैर जिम्मेदार. And as for your public profile, you have a playboy persona. You are infamous for your New York nightlife. And then you have, of course, the prevalent paternity scandal. Now, since I'm always honest, very curtly and brusquely, Mr. Viraj, ma'am, sir, you all have a very laborious and uphill task laid out in front of you.
तुम यहाँ सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम बताने आए हो?
But fortunately for you, Devi Rao's का support in exchange for your wedding with your daughter changes everything.
तुमने इसे हमारे डील के बारे में भी बता दिया?
I am extremely sorry for the interpolation, Your Grace, but ऐसा कहते हैं कि अपने लॉयर, अपने डॉक्टर और अपने कैंपेन डिजाइनर से या मैनेजर से कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, एवर. अगर मैं आपसे सच बोलूं तो देवी राव का सपोर्ट जो आपके पास है, दैट इज गुड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मोरपुर को कोई भी पंचरत्न से दीवार नहीं कर सकता. आई श्योर यू दिस.
But I am into win it now, not just prevent a debarment.
That's it. That is it. That's the prince everyone aspires to be, everyone aspires to witness, everyone aspires to have in their company. I laud it, Mr. Aviraj. That is brilliant. That's brilliant right there. And इसीलिए, because of this very reason, हम मैसूर जाएंगे. Yes. We commence our journey in Mysore. वो इसलिए क्योंकि देवी राव का जो सपोर्ट है, that is good, but it's not sufficient. Not at all. And hence, we need to win. We need to snatch the support, the espousing of the Bhimpurs. That is our first objective. Now, I'm getting very excited. Allow me to edify you on this. Now, आपका जो कैंपेन है वो भी 7 days के अंदर I'll plan out something very, very